In the R&D and quality control of electronics, automotive, aerospace, and other industry, the temperature-resistant reliability of products directly determines their service life in the market. This rapid temperature change test chamber strictly complies with the IEC 60068-214 test standard and support various tests including rapid temperature change, temperature cycling, and temperature-humidity combined environment tests, centered on high-frequency, wide-range rapid temperature cycling. The equipment simulates extreme environmental strengths, which can effectively expose potential defects such as solder joint fatigue cracking, component failure, material aging and embrittlement, and structural deformation and loosening. It identified failure risk in advance, improving product stability and service life. Technical parameters: temperature range -70° to 150°. Heating and cooling rates up to 20 degrees per minute. Humidity range 20% to 98% RH. Temperature fluctuation no more than plus or minus 0.5 degree. The equipment is equipped with an over-temperature protection system to ensure safe and stable operation throughout the test. It is standardly configured with RS485 Ethernet communication interfaces, supporting remote data transmission, online monitoring, and automated testing, enabling easy integration with laboratory management systems. Use Sanwood technology to learn more about environment test equipment.